Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1963 Ford Falcon. I love these cars, man. I am a huge Falcon fan. You just don't see them, and this one is nice. Bought this car at a little showdown in North Carolina. It is a recent body up restoration. It is finished in Rangoon red with the two-tone red and white interior. Original 260 car. Little performance to it. They got a little 350 gear in the back. They got some headers and stuff on it, so it scoots. Cool little car. A lot of fun to drive. Good solid straight body. Really nice paint. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with a Magnum 500 wheels. It's just a killer little car, man. And like I said, just a lot of fun to drive. Chrome and stainless is really nice on the car. I've seen some little stone pecks in it, but it's really about it. Yes, it is springtime in Michigan. I can't believe it, man. This weather is terrible. They've definitely re-chromed that grille. Bumpers look new. Glass is nice on the car. Again, all the stainless is in good shape. I got to drive the car when the weather was nice, and Mike, have them pull that around there. Good looking car. Like I say, hits the road real good, shifts out good. Fun car to drive. There. I love these cars. Love the taillights. That's just a little wax, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Fun little cruiser, man. Tried to buy another one of these at the same show. The guy wanted $50,000 for it. Great car, but couldn't see that kind of money. That's a good looking car, man. Again, a little 260. They've hopped up a little bit. I think it's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock. Aluminum intake, headers. It's got the automatic transmission, detailed up nice underneath the hood with a chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's wicked cold, 17 degrees. I cannot believe this weather. But what are you going to do? Springtime in Michigan. So when guys say, man, how come you're not getting videos done? We got to, sometimes Mother Nature just does not cooperate, guys. This is a cool little car, man. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Little pitting there on your mirror, but not much. Door handles look new. Looks like new door rubbers on it. Door skins are nice and clean. They've definitely redone all this interior. New sill plates, new carpet. It's got the factory style bench seat in it. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. I put the new floor mats in it. It's got some cracking in the original steering wheel. You can see that. Showing 12,763. They said there's not very many miles on the restoration, but he didn't give me a number. Blower motor worked. Of course, got some aftermarket gauges underneath. Radio didn't work. Seemed like pretty much everything else was working on the car though. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's got the stock rear, but they put a little 350 gear in it. So it's got a little performance to it. Factory jack with the spares in the trunk here. Really cool, fun car. It's all body color in here. Super fun little car, man. You don't think this would you just don't see these cars. You go to car shows, you just don't see them. Door skins are nice and clean. Dust in there, sorry guys. Seats have definitely been all repadded and refoamed. Again, looks like new door handles. I think it's got most of the factory car-like glass in it. Again, dual chrome mirror, same thing, just a little pitting. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Good little car, man. Hits the road good. Little cam to it. Sorry, I'm rushing here, guys. We got cars coming in, cars coming out. People. Fuel gauge works, speedo worked. All your gauges down there are working. Yeah, doors open and close real nice. Nice fit and finish. Hopefully you can see that, yep. Lights and turn signals are all working. Give it a little rev. Again, no on the radio. The blower motor is working. You can see all your gauges are working. Car's holding good oil pressure. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Have a great day, guys.